Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. You can reach me at 828-773-4500. So this is a 2003 Exiss Sport. So this is a Sport Edition, 7 tall, 7 wide. It is a 3-horse. It does have an escape door, all aluminum. The windows do work. It does have a rear ramp. The rear ramp is a little shorter than a normal ramp on a size trailer like this. It doesn't really affect the horse box. You just have a little bit shorter area here. So it does have a rear ramp, collapsible rear tack, saddle racks. So they actually converted the front to a sleeping area, so the brush box and your bridle hook is still here. Those can be mounted here in the back. We just washed it, so you're gonna see some water in the trailer. It does not leak. It does have roof vents. It does have 2 fans at the back, 2 stalls. Horse box is in excellent condition. It does have an aftermarket walk-through door. Interior horse part is in excellent condition. There are no tears on the rubber at the front or the back. Like I said, he sprayed out the back again, so it's still wet. Walls are insulated, roof is not. So horse box in excellent shape. So this trailer does have an air conditioning unit. It is insulated in the front portion to sleep in. It does have hookup for electric. It's actually got a 30-amp cord that they've put on this trailer. It's hanging right inside here. You see that? It does have an electric jack. Let me scoot through here and show you the dressing room. Sorry about that. Now, the awning is, the parts and pieces are here, but it does need a fabric. We've taken the fabric out. It was torn pretty bad. So it does need a fabric. So basically they just put a floor in here, 2 outlets, 1 high, 1 low. It does have an air conditioned unit. Does have lights when you plug in. There's an outlet here on the wall as well. All right, so 2003 Exiss Sport 3-horse. With an air conditioned unit, needs an awning skin, all aluminum, and I would put this in excellent condition. Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. You guys have a great day.